Hey, welcome back. This is part two. In part one, I talked about this computer and what is installed, and now I'm going through all the software. So this is part two. This is Studio Puppy. What are the advantages? Well, if you go here, basically you can set up a microphone. Here, I'll go back. So basically, you boot up to this screen. It's got a nice launcher bar. Yeah, you can modify it if you want. It's probably a little bit too close to the top. So yeah, so you get it nice, runs really quick. So what you have here is basically a bunch of apps. I'll go through the non-music ones first. Graphics. You got GIMP, which is basically like Photoshop. You can create a logo. Yeah, glowing. Yeah, you can make it transparent. Yeah, it's GIMP. It's awesome. Let's see. Oh, where am I? Okay, graphics. I was talking about GIMP. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. Screen capture, a bunch of different stuff, and Abbey Word, PDF, yeah, file manager, of course. You can set it up, printer and whatnot. Here's a process viewer. So this is just a straight up boot. I haven't been messing with it, but it boots to it uses less than 90 megs of RAM, just the OS, and it's basically not using that much power at all. Yeah, hardware information, processor, Core 2 Duo, 3 gigahertz. Can run a little benchmark here. Show you how fast it is. Yeah, so it's about 5 times faster than this chip, and it's tons faster than, I don't know, 170 or 6 tons faster than whatever else this is, so it's pretty fast. Yeah. So yeah, again, Inkscape. It's another drawing application. I use GIMP. It's pretty sweet. Pretty much, and then there you go. You get to your multimedia. These are all, like this one is a video editing suite. Nonlinear, sort of like Adobe Adobe Premiere. It's pretty awesome. It runs awesome. A lot of professionals use it. Audacity, another video editor, AvidMux, Linux Multimedia Studio, OpenShot, another video editor, media player. I think this is a guitar. Yeah, so you can write music. Yeah, so it's got tons of stuff. Burn CDs. And then of course there's Jack. So Jack is quickly, you go through it. It's running off the USB microphone or the Intel audio. Getting half a millisecond now. Well, it gets half a millisecond, depends. Intel audio is pretty slow. If you run off the USB microphone, you get half a millisecond. And so this one, I'll probably just change it to something realistic. See if that works. Seems to be okay. Yeah, so about less than 3 milliseconds, which is better than Mac. So if you're a vocalist or if you're a musician, yeah, it makes a huge difference. And you know what I'm talking about. Here's Hydrogen Drum Machine. It's pretty fucking sweet, if I can say so myself. They got tons of drum kits. Basically make music. I'm doing it on the fly. It's not that great, but yeah. keep it going. Alright, let's try something else. Of course there's Ardor, record music, sort of like Pro Tools. Of course you got your browser. And what else? Yeah, if you want a different browser, let's see. Yeah, this is tons of audio software. Rack, Rose Garden, LMMS. So basically everything Pro Audio on Linux is here. Muse, Meter Bridge. So if you're into Pro Audio, that's all you need really. So reboot it. And I'll show you boot up into Ubuntu, and that's it. We're done with the tutorial. Spend a few minutes in Ubuntu. So this is pretty sweet. We have also Studio 4, which is awesome, and it's basically the same thing with some different packages and whatnot. And time is running out. Yeah, and it's really fast. You'll never see any lag with Puppy Linux. It's crazy. Alright, we're booting. Now you get to see the real boot. How fast it'll be. Okay, so that's Studio 4. There's Slacko. I put it in there. It really takes no time to install. Here's Ubuntu. Ubuntu's awesome. It's the most popular distro pretty much. It's really well supported, so a lot of packages on there. And it runs really fast. They did some benchmarks and it's pretty much ahead of every other distro in terms of performance. And you can see here I have a few apps installed, but yeah, you can totally do a lot of stuff on Ubuntu. You can write documents, surf the web. There's a cloud computing, there's a software center. You can download tons of apps, probably thousands of different apps. And yeah, it's Office compatible. It's really fun. And it really has like just an amazing interface. And that's it.